Hey everybody, welcome back to Lightning Outdoors. Today we're doing the President's Day fishing tournament, or Election Day fishing tournament. Excuse me. I have babbling siblings with me. Let's start casting.
Okay.
Start fishing.
Okay, just stay back.
And yeah, most bass win. There we go, guys. We got ourselves the first bass of the tournament. Not the first fish. The other guy's caught a bluegill. I caught the first bass. That's a point in my favor. Bye-bye. There we go, googly guys. We caught him. We finally caught another one. It's been a while. That's my arm full stretch. He is a good one. A very good one. Anywho. Okay, guys. Fishing trip turned bad. On the way to the ER. Stupid treble hooks.